phone, email, device hacked.
So it's a very sensitive topic for you. That's why today we bring something for you. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Techno Plus. At first, we have to understand how this hacking taking place. Whereas in India, the rate of cybercrime is very low, and our Indian government, they are very strict about this topic, and they are sending many people because of cybercrime. In despite of that, hackers are hacking your mobile and PC. How? Last year, in the month of November, our cybercrime department make an program, and that program name was Cyber Suraksha Abhiyan. On that Abhiyan, they mentioned 3 points. If you don't follow these 3 points, then it's time for you and your phones. So now let's go and learn how to protect your phone. What are the 3 major points? First, you have installed so many apps in your mobile which you never use, and those hackers are hacking your documents from those apps. Right now you uninstall those apps. It is the first step. And second and third, now let's go.
Check this out. First, go to your mobile settings and now to your about device, software info. Here in the build number option, click on multiple times until you get this pop-up. No need developer mode, you has been already enabled. Now press back again. Here you can see the developer option. Click on it and now please turn on the developer option. Press OK. Here you get one option, USB debugging. Turn on that. OK. And here you can find another option, verify apps via USB, and here you find the ADB option and turn it on. Process of your mobile, it's been done. Now go to your PC. Go to your browser and type here 15-second ADB installer and click the second option. And now download the third one, 1.4.3, this option. Now press on start now and now press on continue. Then it's enabled on your mobile and your PC as well. Now it's time for the second option. Go to your Play Store and type on the search bar mKavaj. It is the official app of Indian cyber security. Install it. The link of this app is given in our description box. You can download it also from there. Now press open. Now press accept. Allow. Again allow. 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 And one more time allow. You have to fill up this form with your recovery contact number, your mobile phone PIN, and here one pop-up is showing SMS alert will be shown to your emergency number in case of recovery. It is the interface of this app. Here you can find many options, but at first I will talk about anti-theft. Here you get 3 options: wipe data, trusted mobile number, and third the registered SIM card. In trusted mobile number you have to put your mobile number, recovery number, and fill up this. And in registered SIM card, you have to register your SIM card as well. Now go to your setting to make your phone hack proof, and here you get one option, web security. Click on it. Just press on continue to install JS Guard, and it will make your phone hack proof. It's time for sign out. We will be come back very soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.